Hey guys, how are you all? In this video, I'm gonna show you the how can you solve the issue called this channel cannot be opened or this page cannot be opened on your Telegram application. So how can you solve that issue? You just have to go on your Google Play Store and type for Telegram. Like this is Telegram, and you have to check that if you have updated your application yet or not. And if you don't updated it, you just have to update it from here. I will just open because my app is latest and fully updated. So just click on it and you have to go on the application information of your that application on Android mobile phone. You just have to do two things here. Firstly, you just have to click on the clear data option here, clear all the cache and all the unnecessary data from your Telegram application, and after that you just have to go on the other permissions option here. You have to allow all the permissions your Telegram application needs to access your mobile phone. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel if you liked, and thank you.